AP Chemistry, Unit 9.2, Absolute Entropy and Entropy Change. The standard molar entropy, or delta S naught, refers to 1 mole of a substance at 25 degrees Celsius, 298 Kelvin, with the units joules per mole Kelvin. Most standard enthalpies of formation values are positive, and the reaction to form these compounds will either increase or decrease entropy. And if it increases entropy, the delta S will be positive, and if it decreases entropy, then the delta S will be negative. The equation that we use to calculate the overall entropy change from a reaction is delta S naught of reaction is equal to the sum of the number of moles times the delta S naught of the products minus the sum of the number of moles times the delta S naught of the reactants. So if I was to be asked to calculate the change in entropy of a reaction, and this was my reaction, I had iron 3 oxide reacting with hydrogen to form iron and water, and I was given the standard molar entropies of each, then I would go ahead and plug it into my equation. So delta S naught of the reaction is equal to the sum of the number of moles times the standard entropy of each of the products minus the sum of the number of moles times the standard entropy of each of the reactants. So here I have all of those values. You can see I have color-coded where I pulled each of the numbers from. So again, we have our sum of products minus sum of reactants. So our products were iron, and I have from the balanced chemical equation the coefficient of 2, and so I have 2 moles of iron within the reaction, and then the standard entropy of the of iron is 27.3, and so on and so forth. Everything is coming from the balanced chemical equation and then the values that were stated for each. So I would end up with my standard entropy sums for my products being 621 joules per mole Kelvin, and the sums of my entropies for my reactants being 483 joules per mole Kelvin. And so that means I would end up with a positive entropy change of 138 joules per mole Kelvin, and so entropy would increase with this reaction.